Let's check in with Derek and today's forecast, as well as what the weather might look like for Super Bowl Sunday.
All right, thanks so much for that, Dewey. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to be a pretty mild day for Sunday in terms of temperatures. So if you have any outdoor activities that you may be doing right before the game starts, I would definitely recommend that because it will be feeling nice. And we'll get to that 8-day forecast in just a second. But Eau Claire, right now, you're looking at 26 degrees. Pretty mild start for you, too. And Winona at 30 degrees. La Crosse, you're at the freezing mark now of 32 degrees. And look at the temperatures really here across the area into the upper 20s, low 30s here to start us off this morning. Now, there are some advisories. Winter weather alerts are still in effect. Remember those winter storm watches we had yesterday? Well, the National Weather Service went ahead and canceled those because that storm system that we've been talking about the last few days is expected to move a little bit further towards the east. So therefore, these have been now downgraded to winter weather advisories, and there are only a couple of counties highlighted. We have Crawford County as well as into Richland County looking at these winter weather advisories until 6 p.m. this evening for the possibility of those spots looking at some accumulating snow. And as far as the snow goes right now, well, a lot of this is very light. And the latest weather observations here for some of our weather stations, especially down to the south, do show that this is really not exactly making it to the ground. This is more aloft here in the atmosphere. But nonetheless, we'll keep an eye on it as it continues to give us some more moisture to work with, leading to cloudy weather conditions. You can see all the clouds here as well in the satellite picture associated with this low pressure system that continues to move off towards the northeast. So the further east it goes, the less impacts that we're going to see here across the Coulee region. And you'll see that here on Sky Tracker as well. We may see some light rain with a little bit of some light snow here for parts of the area throughout the morning. And then as those temperatures warm up into the upper 30s by noon today, a lot of this will transition more so towards some very light rain showers, and then maybe a few scattered showers are still possible for some of us around 3 o'clock, but very, very light stuff though. And then by 6 o'clock though, some light rain and some little bit of some light snow, maybe some possible across portions of our eastern zones. And then a lot of this is going to clear out by early this evening. And then we're left over with mainly cloudy weather conditions. Temperatures are going to drop into the low 20s as we head into overnight tonight under mostly cloudy skies. And then after midnight, around 5 a.m., we do expect that the majority of the clouds will clear out, leading to mostly clear skies just in time for your morning commute tomorrow after sunrise. Things are looking good here, and mostly sunny skies can be set here for tomorrow. The only thing is that it will be cooler behind that system. We can definitely tell you for sure that our temperatures are going to be dropping behind it into the 20s for the highs behind the system as it continues to track towards the northeast and away from us. Now, high pressure is going to start to build in across the Midwest as we head into the day tomorrow and through the day on Saturday, and that in turn is going to help keep our weather pattern quiet here, and you'll see that on the 8-day forecast. And then after this brief cool down tomorrow, we're going to warm right back up into the 40s for this weekend and also into most of next week. As a matter of fact, highs into the 40s. Our next storm system could be affecting us on Valentine's Day, giving us a chance of rain. We'll keep tabs on that in the future.